Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making turkey orzo soup in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Alright, I'm starting out on my Ninja Foodi. I have a half of a turkey breast in here. This is the bone in. I'm going to start by adding in about 4 cups of water. And I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt. Probably about a half a teaspoon to get it started. And I have 1 onion and 2 stalks of celery I did a rough dice on. They're going to go in. I did a rough dice because they need to hold up to the pressure cooking. Now I'm going to close my lid down and I'm going to lock this over the pressure cooker selector and make sure we're locked or set on seal airtight. Alright, I'm going to turn my Ninja on. We're already set on the pressure cooker setting, as it says here, pressure. It's already set on high pressure, that's fine. Now my time is set at 10 minutes. I'm going to bump that up to 30 minutes. Now it's going to come up to temperature, start pressure cooking. When 30 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Right now that my turkey is done and I did that quick release of the pressure, I'm adding in 8 cups of turkey broth. I already put 4 in. Now I set this on sear saute and I'm going to bring this up to a boil so we can cook that orzo. And I'm going to go ahead and shred my turkey off of the bone here. Right now that my soup's starting to come to the boil, and I added 2 more cups of water in there, so that's a total of 6 cups of water and, let me think here, 8 cups of stock. I'm going to season this. I'm going to start by putting in a teaspoon of salt. And I already tasted this for seasoning. It needed salt. I'm also going to put in a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of rosemary. I'm going to add in some celery seed, about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to taste that, see if it needs any more salt. And this spoon isn't the greatest for getting soup out. Could do with a little more salt. I'm going to put another teaspoon in because that's a lot of liquid in there. Alright, let me get in here and give that a taste. That's tasting good right there. Now I have some fresh parsley I diced up. That's going to go in. And I have my orzo. This here is a 1-pound package. I don't think I'm going to use it all. Let me get it open here. Probably going to use about half of it. I'm going to dump that in. That a stir. And as this pasta cooks in there, I'll taste it for salt because that pasta is going to soak up some of the salt. Put 1 more little shot of orzo in there. Now I'm going to allow this to boil for 10 minutes. I like my pasta a little on the tender side. If you like it al dente, 9 or 10 minutes will be enough. Alright, my 10 minutes are up. Now I'm going to add my turkey back in. And I have some baby spinach. I'm just going to rip some up in here. It doesn't all have to be completely ripped. A little more. This here is trying to find the size bag it is. It's a 4-cup bag. I'm putting about two cups of spinach in. Give that a stir. And this will only take a second for this spinach to wilt down and to cook. And I think I'm going to add a little more spinach in. Just a little more. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with a piece of this turkey. Turkey's tender. Get some orzo and some broth. Orzo's tender. That broth is really rich and delicious. Tastes that good turkey flavor. Now you get the spices I put in there. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Turkey orzo soup in a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.